today I'm feeling really crafty. I'm gonna make 2 statement jeans today. I know I'm a little late to the party. I've seen people do all these crazy things with their jeans and TikTok and Instagram. But you know what? I didn't have the time to do it during summertime because I was in summer school during quarantine. So I didn't have the time. I'm sorry about that. I hope this is still relevant. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the swirly printed wave pattern jeans. They look like this. They are from Ragged Priest, Tiger Mist. I've seen them also on Princess Polly. I loved how they look, so I decided to recreate that same pattern. I hope I can do it. This is my first time doing something like this, so I hope it comes out right. The next pair of jeans I'm gonna recreate is the two-tone jeans. I don't know where it's originally from. I feel like literally every brand has done this type of style. I've seen it in PacSun, Forever 21, Shein, so many brands. But I'm gonna recreate this, for example. Of course, I can't make it light blue. I'm gonna leave it white. What I plan on doing is keeping the belt completely navy and one of the sides completely blue and leaving one side completely white. I'm gonna see. It looks a little complicated just because I am scared that the other side will accidentally get bleach on, but we will see. It's my first time doing it. I'm really excited, and if you want to see how I do it, keep on watching.
Make sure to wear something you don't care to put bleach on. The first thing I did was lay down a trash bag to protect the floor from the bleach. Then take cardboard pieces and put it inside the jeans so the bleach doesn't bleed onto the other side. Make sure everything is laying flat and smooth and there's no gaps in between the cardboard pieces. That way the bleach doesn't transfer over to the back side. Remember to wear your gloves before you start handling bleach, and then start pouring your bleach inside the bowl. Use a thin brush and dip it into the bleach, kind of like paint, and then just start having fun.
Are you gonna slay it?
First off, I always slay it, queen.
Okay guys, so this is the front of the jeans so far. I'm gonna wait about half an hour for the bleach to settle in and completely turn white, and then I'll start the back. Hey, so it's normal speed me. So I realized I didn't really explain how I'm doing the pattern. I'm literally just doing swirling ovals and repeating the same shape either on the inside or outside until there's no gaps in between. But if you really like a pair online, you can try to repeat the pattern, but I found it too time consuming to trace over the pattern and then put the bleach over it, so I decided to just freehand it. Just have fun with it, guys, because they're a unique pair of jeans because you made them. Okay, so let's continue and speed this up and finish the rest of the jeans. Okay guys, so this is the back and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm just gonna wait about 2 hours for the bleach to completely develop, and then I'm gonna flip it over, make sure everything looks nice, and then I'm going to just put it in the wash. Drop it in the washing machine and put it in cold rinse and hang it to dry. And these are the results.
Let me take the time, I know you like when I describe it. I've been lying to myself, truth I wanna hide it. Fall in love in 7 days a week and won't describe it. I've been trying many things, but nothing comes as close as flying in the same plane as you. Walk it, we can make it getaway.
For the two-tone jeans, lay a plastic bag or trash bag on your floor, then place your jeans flat. Then figure out what side you want to be white. Then grab your tape and start taping along the edges of the zipper front. I want the bleach to be on the left side, so the tape on the right side will prevent the bleach from transferring over to the side. When you're done taping along the edges of your zipper front, repeat the same towards the back. Then tape along the waistband of your jeans as close to the edge of the seam as possible for the perfect finish.
Peaceful transfer of power, and the fact that it's all orchestrated, coming off together. There's Senator Graham.
Lindsey Graham, I see Senator Dick Durbin.
Then tape down all the belt loops, even try to tape the inside of the loop to make sure the bleach doesn't go on it. And make sure your tape is set onto place as good as possible to prevent any errors throughout the bleaching process. To be extra precautious, you can also bag the side you don't want the bleach to go on and just tape it along the middle. Put on your gloves and start applying your bleach from bottom to the top. I use a brush to spread the bleach evenly. Okay, so this is the jeans after an hour. I'm gonna leave it another hour, and I realized some spots are very splotchy, so I put bleach over it again, and I'm going to just make sure like the inseam, everything is colored in. I'm gonna use this brush, make sure like every edge is taken care of. Slightly. Like that. Another thing to keep in mind is that the Clorox that I'm using is a blue color, so it might not look white when it is. So this whole section, I think it completely is white. It looks blue though, but it's white. And these little areas just need time to just develop. So I'm just gonna leave it for another hour and do my stuff, and then we'll see. So I realized I was running out of bleach gel, so I had to make a quick Target run. By the time I got home, the front side looked pretty light, so I flipped it over and started bleaching the back. Okay, so I just finished putting bleach on the back. I'm gonna wait about half an hour, and then I'm gonna check on it and see if it's ready to rinse off. After waiting an hour and a half, I decided to add more bleach so that it can get lighter. Okay, so I left it for maybe 3.5 hours, and it still has these little stains on it. I don't know if I wash it out, it will just completely turn white, but we will see if not I have to re-bleach it. Let's just look at it. Yeah, I can't leave it for any longer. Let me just take that out. So you're gonna rinse your jeans with warm water and squeeze out the excess bleach until the water runs clear. Be very, very careful with the opposite side. So these are my jeans for after I rinsed it off with warm water. I realized that the brown parts I was mentioning before were actually the pocket lining and the seams left unbleached on the inside. So I left it alone. But when you're done, drop it into your washing machine, put it in cold rinse, then just leave it to air dry, and this is how it should turn out to look like.
Yeah. What up, man? I get too hot, I don't wanna feel up. Fly like planes now, I don't need that airport. Skip the conversation, I don't care for it. Don't like my music, then what you here for? Stay up in the sky like I'm in the Air Force. She don't like the height, so she stay on all four. You can call her back, she don't want you anymore. I don't play around till they play out the chorus. Tell them see you soon, so I gotta cut short. Still strum the chord like the guitar recorded. She only ride, you know you could.